Man, welcome back for another video. I'm sorry, I just woke up. All right, so I'm looking hella. Don't disregard my funkiness right now. But anyways, today we're gonna be fixing the problem of the Challenger. Hopefully, I mean, hopefully this solves the issue. Because if it doesn't, I might be upset. But anyways, every single time I drive off, it has this loud squeaking sound, and it's annoying. Like really, just annoying. And every single time I brake too, it really like vibrates. And I diagnosed the issue. Me and my friend, we put it up on jack stands, we rotated the tire, and the tire was actually fine. But then when I looked at the freaking wheel, okay, the wheel was fine. And then when I looked at the rotor, every single time it was rotating, it was wobbly, like so I was like, yep, that's the rotor. So now we got that taken care of, we got the parts. So now what we got to do is replace it. So now, as you can tell, we got the wheel off, we got our trusty sockets and socket wrench, and also on top of that we got our jack jacked up, we got this exposed, we got the new rotors right here, we got my Q-dash right there. Now all I got to do is just replace that and drive it off into that sunset of happiness. So here's the rotor. Now we got that off, we can put the new one in, put the new brake pads, and drive off into the sunset happily ever after. Let's hope, fingers crossed. Just a little word of advice: make sure you have some brake cleaner with you before you slap on the rotor, because you can tell sometimes because there's like a lot of residue of the oil. There she is, look at her shining. Oof, everything's back on. I'm surprised it took me this long, because I was expecting it to be way longer, because every single time I record it doesn't go as smoothly because I'm always having to stop and go. But I'm about to slap the tire back on, and then I'm about to bolt that on. After that, I'm going to drop everything down and then ride into the sunset. Fingers crossed, all right, that we have no more squeaking, no more vibration. We're good to go, hopefully. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Pumping the brakes now. Still feel kind of spongy. Okay, the sponginess is going away. All right, we're back in business. Sponginess went away. So now let's go drive this thing. All right, so now let's go through the braking procedure. There's a braking procedure that you got to follow. It's quite annoying. Go on certain speed, brake, 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 certain speed, brake. It's annoying. But I mean, that's what you got to do though, you know? I know, the windshield is horrible. All right, so let's see, we're going up to 40. I hear no squeaking. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is fixed. Hopefully, brake time. It is fixed. Okay, let me calm my happy ass now. This sunset, it's happening. It's right there. There's the sunset. We are driving towards the sunset happily ever after. We have driven to our sunset. What? I'm hella happy now. Okay, now second session. Okay, there you go. Boom. Okay, now let's do this third session. Okay, so that cut off my enthusiasm by a lot, but you got to do those procedures, man. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you ain't got no gas. We do not have any gas. Oh my God. So we gotta make this procedure quick. Nonetheless, it is fixed. It's time for her to be sold. Ah. Okay, second session. All right, there you go, there you go. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now, time for her to be sold. All right, buddy. Time for her to sell. You fixed her up. Now it's time to clean her up inside and out, because she is filthy from the inside. No cap, look at all this. Whew. The body shop did not do any good at all, besides get that quarter panel done. She is fixed. I am so stoked. All right, look, I'm gonna put it like this. I've never felt so happy pressing on the brakes and having nothing happen besides it doing its job, pretty much. All right, there's no more vibration, there's no more squeaking, which was really annoying. But I mean, look at her now. Damn. Also making a video too. Crazy. Look at that. Oh, snap.